Hello everyone, let us continue to the schematic diagram. Okay, let's take a look at the other side of your part B of your schematic diagram. Yeah, so let's see here. So I previously done the same thing, I'm going to do it again. So I'm start with here, the first pin, right? Take a look here. Yeah, I'm going to do with the, it's the first pin is the 16th pin. Yep. So it's need one resistor and two capacitor combination and another one resistor. So I think this part is exactly copied from to here. That should be very easy to do. So we can do that. We copy here this portion and select these things. One thing is you should have to right click here, then take copy. Oops, what's going to happen? You just have to select here, then copy. Oh, it's not possible. I don't know why it's happening. Or we can take this control and drag, right click and drag. Yeah, that's nicely works. Okay. Yes. Okay. You change. You notice that the designator changes to R11, C11, R12. R12. Yeah. You just this level is not needed. Okay. It's deleted this. Okay, so this portion is connected to 16th pin of this of the IZ. So we connect it like this, connection like this, done the connection. So some corrections you need to do that previously done. Same thing going to happen here. Edit part. Then you can see one smaller portions makes the pin is a little bit move. So we correct that portion. Yeah. Then change to one thing is this. We turn off the snap to grid. Okay, let's check it. Yep, update current V. Okay, so nothing changes. Select the small portion here, then wire. Oh, why is existing here? Existing again. To do again. Yeah, just click here and okay. The small motion is makes. Click here. Okay. Okay. That's very tough, I think, to do this one. Okay, let's change code updates. Yeah. Can't delete this. Delete this small portion. Click wire. Oh, I think it's too difficult to do this. Or we can another way to do this one. This pin is not completely aligned with this grid. If something, one easy method to do that, you have to snap to grid, push this button, then press the W for making wire. You should exactly, you zoom in the component and exactly the center you just clicked and connected. Okay, then its shown is nicely without this dot, then it's turned off. Yeah, then move to nicely near to the, don't worry about the wires is shown like this. We can edit like we can edit this wire like this. Yeah, then move here. Okay, one thing is this, we can select these components only. We need to choose select this component, then move. Is easy to possible. Then the also select the component. Yeah, take a look the side. Arrows 1K resistor, polarized to capacitor, 1K resistor, polarized to capacitor, then series parallel combinations of resistors and a capacitor. Okay, yeah, that's completed. Then we need one more ground to ground this side. Yeah, we'll place 10. Oh, okay, the same issue happening here, this pin also. So we turn on this one and zoom and W, then place into the center and just okay. Yeah, okay, then turn it off. Oh, okay, the connection could not be done because it's out of, yeah, it's out of, so we done with the W on the net and connect like this. Yeah, it's connected. We can move like this, turn it off, can move nicely like this. Okay, doesn't matter if some tilting their lines, doesn't matter, you skip. We can do come after you complete this complete schematic, we come here come back here to correct it. Yeah, then this portion is completed. Then the same copy replica is repeating here. Instead of 8 9, sorry, the 7 8, here is 10 11. The replica has gone to, yeah, this resistor again. We copy this one, down control, and the replica, connect to the wires. Oh, everything shows the issue for this part B because it's not in grid. Not in grid. Yeah. Okay. So don't worry, we can follow this. Then we uncheck here. Okay. That's connected. Then a little bit down, left. Then connect this pin and complete this pin again. Yeah, that's perfectly done. Then also you're done with this, and the same replica on this side comes again the output. So we copy these components, then right click, control right click. Yeah, we need to mirror. If we want to the circuitry mirror vertically, which is sorry, that's not working. Okay, we need a horizontally mirror. Okay, exactly. So we move to this one here and connect the both lines are in this net. Then we should have to up this whole the circuit into the straight line. Yeah. Okay, control save. Then it's done nicely with this portion. Okay, then we have to draw this portion next. Sorry, here this portion next. Okay, then when capacitor is shorted, two pins are connected, and replica, the same replica is again. So we copy this capacitor, right click, and yeah, the pins are, we take the pins is 15 and 30. Capacitor, sorry, so click here, then move. Oh, it's really hard. Yeah, nice. The wire connected, wire connected. Okay, that's okay, completed. Then we're going to take this resistor is connected to the output. Yeah, that we're going to do with Control V. Same resistor, the same resistor V to here, and it's connected to the output. Okay, is it okay? Here's going to be they take the copies of this length of a second pin, which means that here this pin, and right click and copy, select this small wire, yeah, something happened close sometimes, delete this one, then select it and move to here, then connect it to this line. That's it. Okay, the same replica I'm going to repeat it here. So this pin is connected to a resistor division. Take the circuitry. Yeah, this pin 12 is directly connected to the minus 15. So that we're going to do is minus 15, 12. Yeah, this pin is connected to the minus voltage here. Copy, delete this line and rotate, place here and add the small wire to join. Okay, the 12 is directly connected to the minus 15 voltage. Then also it is need is protection circuits, right? So these are the protection circuits, resistors, and a resistor, 2 resistor, and 13. It's like a delta connection, like this one. So we copy that same. Okay, here. So we done some mistake, I think. Fourth pin is connected to 2 resistor, and between one capacitor is taken out. 2 resistor between one capacitor is taken out. Yeah. Then okay, this one. Okay, right. So these 3 circuitry going to copy. This one, this one, this one. Okay, and control and copy here. Then horizontally flipped. So these lines are connect on which pin? I think it's a 13th pin. Connecting to 13th pin. Right. Then this capacitor is directly to the outside. It's connected to the output. This 1, 3 are joined together, and this connection goes to the 13th pin. Be careful, because this line could not be joined with the resistor, so we can't clarify that again later. Then this line connected to here. Sorry, it's not connected. Connected to here. Yeah, perfectly done. Yeah. Then I think it's all completed. The circuit, right? The all pins are better. Okay, we can make it nice and neat. So this pin or come here is okay. Then a little bit move this in between pins. Between pins, and this connection like properly, and this feedback connection do without connecting with the cross dot points could not become here. Then a little bit up, this capacitors need to up, capacitor need to up, it's nothing, doesn't matter, you just do practice again, everything you will come again here easily. Okay, this point, where we come to this point, let's check into here. 1K, yeah, is minus VCC. Connected to the minus VCC. Also, this is shorted, means that this two path, it has a two path. One is here, one is here. Yeah, it's connected to minus VCC. Definitely, we can to do one thing. Once we copy this one it again, oh, that's, I think it's a better idea. It's a better idea. Okay. Then we can arrange some clarity. Need to clarity a little bit. Change this one. Here also this line need to clarity a little bit for it. This is perfect. Well, now go back. This one. This one. This one. Okay. We again draw this one here. And this net. Okay. Yeah. Obviously, we partially completed the two channels of the schematic. It's like this. So we need to choose one more things for a schematic. Yeah. What is that? We need connectors. We need connector. So this is a connector. Connector. And we choose the printouts, the packages, searching for the different kind of packages, and oh, it will comes. I need a 2-pole and 3-pole, 3-pole and 2-pole connectors. Okay, sometimes this we could not get, or we're sorted again. That header, like, oh yeah, that's perfect. Header, HEATER, yeah. Check different types of headers are available. Okay, I need a voltage supply. A power supply is need one header. It is for plus 15 ground and minus 15. It's 3-pole. It's required 3-pole. Searching. There's nothing going to happen to see. Only, oh yeah, finally we got it. Header 3 connector. Yeah, double click this one and select here. Okay. And also we need 2-pole, so we can change this to 2. Yeah, this is for whatever is input. Okay, input 1, input 2, output 1, and output 2. Okay. We close like this window. Yeah. Then these are the connectors we put here. Yeah. Okay. So the next we're going to learn what is net alliance. Okay. Net alliance means if you have to mention. Let's check this connection so directly directly connected to this point here. Otherwise, we can mention one net name. It also have its net name. That net is connected to the one pin of the loudspeaker. Okay, this net we also have to connect some many word like these connectors, because it physically could not show that connections in the schematic, but it's connected by the same net but net alliance. Yeah, that I will show you how to do this. Okay, so and basically we don't need this output capacitor, the output header. So the 2 pins are we going to delete, because already we have this loudspeaker is here. We mentioned the footprint as like a connector, but we don't need this. This is for the power supply. Power supply, yeah, supply. Good. Then these 2 for input. Input 1, input 1, and input 2, input 2. Okay, this is for the power supply. generally, okay, the input, the second pin is usually grounded, and usually we're doing the same thing, so we need to cover up this ground connected to the second pin. Same pattern, we're doing the same thing. Copy the ground here. Okay, then we throw a line. Yeah, this net is defaultly N06239. It's defaultly came as one net. If you want to change, it aligns another net in the schematic. Okay, what I have to say is click this net, and here in the tools bar, you can see that ABC place in the net. Yep. So okay, you can add one name for this net. Actually, it's renaming the net. Input 2, not spaces, input 2. Okay, then this text is placing on this line the net name. This net is default N06239. The net is changes to input 2 because it's renamed this net name. Okay, the same thing, the same name, double click and copy. Okay, the same thing is input here. This is an input line, so we do the same thing here. So we need to rotate, sorry, the second, this is input 2, we'll rotate it here. Alright, this is the better way to represent the net alias. Okay, so click this net. We need to, it's shown that N06264 is a default net there selected by the cadence or the ORCAD. Yeah, so we need to click this button or place N. N is easiest way to do. Okay, so input. Okay, we mentioned this previous name. Input 2 is placed in here. Then place that name here. Okay. Then smaller. Okay, you see there is a 2 input and 2 input here. You take a look that there is no physical connection is directly from here. Actually, it's connected. It represents the connection from here to here. Actually, sorry, the software is too slow. Sometimes it's too slow. Yeah, actually it is. It represents like one wires are connected from this here to this here. The same effect, the same naming, the same effect we will do with net alliance. The same effect we'll do from this show net alias. Yeah. Okay. We're done for the input 2. The same thing happened here for input 1. It will connect on top. Then we select it, and first we need one wire. Okay. Click this net and press N. It's defaultly came increment there the number. They're defaultly they're making that like this. So we need creating first input on this line. Yeah. The same thing happen to draw. It's rotate is nicely. We done to express thing. Then zoom in, control scroll up. For zoom, just wire it and connect it here. Then wire it and connect it here. Then also plus N and adding this one and okay. Plus here. Okay. That previous default name is changed to input 1. No, so now the input 1 and input 2 are connected. Now in this similar manner, we add the power supply to it. Yeah. Basically in every input and power supplies connection, the central part should be the grounded. So I choose the same thing. Okay, same thing again. Okay, it's grounded. Then the first pin I choose for the plus 15. Here. This one, copy and paste the symbol here. Paste the symbol. Actually, this symbolic representation like a net alias. The symbol, it's shown its net naming. We give the net naming plus 15 to this first pin. The same manner, we copy this symbol, copy and paste. Then rotate this one. Take the symbol. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Then we complete the power supply also. Okay. Now we almost complete our schematics of a. Okay, we give the names of a audio project. Audio underscore SGK459. Okay, it's completed. Okay, it's finally nicely done. Okay, then we want to cross check our pins are exactly, we decide pins are connections is comes into the resistor capacitor or properly we can check. So this we called is one name. We can mention that the output 2 or output 1 by using net alias. We done that output 1. Output 1. The same manner we did net alias here. Then here we do with the number 2. Okay, that's automatically generated. Okay, yeah. So if you want to the loudspeaker output from a connector or outside, we can add. You want to take from the loudspeaker output outside, so we add the connector like this. Okay, I should have to do it later. So, and one more another thing, we could check the connections are come properly connected or not. Right click this net and right click, select entire net. Okay, so you could see this portion, the 9th pin, only the 9th pin is connected to plus 15. Let's check the connection. Yeah, only 9th pin is connected to the plus VCC, and we check the another pin, minus pin, select entire net. Okay, yeah, okay, it's shown that these pins are connected to the negative 5th pin and a few components here, this resistor and 12th pin, the 12th pin and these few resistor. Here you see this 5th pin. Yeah, that exactly the right. We done nicely. Okay, then we going to do one more thing. Okay, if you want to see the net, if you want to change your net properties, it's like the connections are shown with the color coding. Suppose the green color we change it, sorry, the ground is usually connected to the green color. So you want to click this one. This is a ground line. This is a ground line to shown like here. Then right click and edit net properties. So edit net properties. Yeah, click it. We change this line here. Then change this one is a very thin line. We want a little bit thick here. Then change into the green. Yeah. So you can see the every lines of your schematic diagram as the negatives are correctly we can visible because these pins are exactly they're connected to the green lines, which means is that the ground is properly connected. Yeah. Another one is you can check this plus 15 is properly connected. Select net properties. Select net property. Sorry, where it is. Edit net properties. Sorry. And change in here, change here, then collect. As usually it's always a red or something. This one. or red, sorry, red one. Okay, yeah, you can see this plus 15s are changed into the red because all the plus 15 connections are turned into a desired color of the net. Then next is edit net properties again. Again we done. If we want to any other line style, we can choose dotted, centered, chained, etc. So, and that was blue, blue or violet, violet. Okay, okay. The beautifully we can see easily to understand where the princess or comes in. Okay, yeah, that's all for creating the schematic. That's all for creating the schematic. Thank you for watching this video and waiting for you should have to wait upcoming videos. Thank you.